All right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. Hello.
Hi. I
Hi.
don't know if you can see me or not, but I can see you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I am fine. And search bar. And at first going to Google and search bar. Type
Uh-huh.
type Remitly. 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 Huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Then enter. Now you see a site repeatedly sent and receive money online from USA States, United States. Then click here.
Okay.
Click here. Okay. And
Uh-huh.
join now. Click here.
Yes.
Your email, password, and confirm password. Then join now. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. You use amount. Send money. Your amount.
Okay.
Okay. Then drop down arrow. Click here. Payment method. Mobile money. Click here.
Okay. Mobile money.
Select. Then
Yes.
payment method. Your bank account, debit card, credit card. Amount. $120. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Select here bKash.
bKash. Okay.
bKash.
bKash.
Okay. And your first name, your last name. Okay.
All
Good.
right. Okay.
Then
Just a quick question.
okay. Tell me.
Okay. I did get a message saying that you can put 50% and then put 50% after. Is that still okay?
Okay. Okay. All right.
All right.
All right. Here your first name and last name. Then continue. Okay.
The
first name, demo name. And continue.
Okay.
Okay. Here is phone number.
Okay.
This demo phone number. And after finish. Okay. And continue.
All right.
Okay. You want to money receipt?
Okay.
You click yes.
All right.
Okay. Then your sender details, your first name, last name, date of birth, and then continue. Demo name.
Okay.
Demo. And continue. And then
all right.
confirm. All right. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. After finish the meeting, I sent my bKash phone number. You payment me, and I start your work. Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you so much for joining our meeting.
No, thank you so much.
Welcome.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.